Indian batters have taken them on.
How the slip comes into place as well. Perhaps should have been there when that edge of Surya Kumar Yadav, what was he, on north or pretty close to his first delivery. But how good has Hasaranga been? The one bowler who seems to have been able to control the scoring. He's been able to control what parts of the ground he wants the Indian batsman to hit the ball. He can put his fieldsman there. He's had those reviews as well, so he's been threatening throughout.
An interesting pace he's bowling at. That first delivery was in the low 80s, so he's looking to sort of slow it up a little bit. Got a bit of bounce that time, as you could see. He's not someone who enjoys bounce too much. He likes the ball to stay low. Hasaranga.
Yeah, I'm certain he does. Utilize the trajectory. This one up in the air. Long off, trying to come under it, but will not reach it. Kamindo ran in about 35 yards to his left. Unfortunately, just fell slightly behind covers beyond the 30-yard circle. And again, slower through the air on the seam leg spinner. Sliced through it, did Hardik Pandya. And he kind of felt it as well. Came running, but just fell short of it.
Hasaranga's very clever. He tends to play around with his pace. Good running, very good running. But at the moment, he's in the low 80s. He's searching for some turn, he's searching for some grip. The one that Hardik Pandya, Sky, appeared to grip a little bit, so he was not to it.
And that's the difference that we've seen between him and the rest of the Sri Lankan bowlers. He's bowled aggressively, he's looked to try and get wickets, and by trying to do so, he's kept India at bay. He's been disciplined. He's given only 26 runs away in 3.4 overs.
And that's one difference I think we'll see, Roshan, with the Indian spinners. I expect Akshar Patel to slow it up a little bit, in particular as a spinner. Hasaranga has got some turn when he's been brave enough to bowl around that 80km/h mark. Slip in place, like to see him with the slow leg spinner.
You can tell it's the mindset that makes you produce the results that you do produce, and you can see the difference. It's chalk and cheese between someone like Hasaranga versus the other Sri Lankan bowlers. Even Pathirana, even though he went for runs, he's looking for wickets, which is why he got a wicket. The intention behind what you do and when you do it will produce the results that you desire. If you bowl from a defensive mindset, you are bowling from behind the 8 ball, and you will feel the pressure of getting hit for runs. It's the end of the over, 159 for 3.
Sri Lanka managing to bowl those last 2 overs, just conceding 13 runs, so that's some kind of a recovery as far as they're concerned. That run rate is now a little over 10 of the time that India was going at 11, 11.5, sometimes even at 12.
And that is the thing, the last 2 overs were bowled by the most aggressive bowlers in the Sri Lankan side. Both the bowlers looking to get wickets, and hence you see the fact that they got no wicket and they kept the runs at bay as well. Only 13 runs in the last couple of overs. If you want to slow down your opposition in a T20 game, the best way to do it is get wickets, not bowl defensively.
Kasitha Fernando's back. In that first spell, we did see him dragging it, bowling a lot of slower deliveries, a lot of width, taken apart.
You know, Roshan, and one of the things I noticed with the slower deliveries and the knuckle ball that he does is that he shows shows it to the batter so early that the batter is already ready for it. Because when you bowl a knuckle delivery to a batter, the batter generally gets to see a lot more of the ball than you generally see when you're holding it seam up. So you get to see about 70-80% of the ball. And he shows it so early that the batsman already knows what's going to come.
Well, he's bowling his third over at the moment. Yes, the one good thing, Mindu Mendes has that one over. So plenty of options for Asalanka. Where does he go for the final, what, 4 overs after this? You'd say Patirana has 2?
The Patirana generally is a dead ball now. Sri Lanka missing Dushmantha Chameera and Pedro Fernando, who are not available. Sick.
No one Tushara as well.
So obviously their dead bowling plan revolves around them. So here Dilshad Madhushanka has gone for some runs and they are bringing on Asanta. They got a young Hathirana who could come in and bowl. He's generally very good at the 10th and he bowls in the second half of the innings. But the problem has been the 2 opening bowlers.
Well, yeah, in the start then, Yashasvi Jaiswal got off first over, went bang bang, put pressure immediately on even a high quality bowler like Madhushanka. I think Madhushanka is someone with tremendous capabilities, tremendous abilities, gets the ball to swing late, but he bowled short on this ground in the first over and then went for runs and then pressure was on for Sri Lanka completely.
See, another option that Sri Lanka didn't utilize is Dasun Shah. He did open the bowling in the Lanka Premier League. He bowled some very useful overs. He would have been quite useful to be tried in the middle, not necessarily opening, but in the middle.
There's not many bowlers. I start smiling. But I think if Dasun Shanaka on this pitch, the south pitch, quality of batsman, you're looking to take him down.
I agree, but it's worth, I mean, at the range of Sri Lankan bowlers being carted around, so it's always worth to come on and bowl maybe an over, just see.
It is a double-edged sword, isn't it? And sometimes for opening batters, we like the pace on a lot more than when it's slow. It's coming slow to us. So it could be a double-edged sword. Could work for Sri Lanka, but it's a punt that you take in the first 6 overs. Would you want to do that? Is a question that Sri Lanka will have the answer to.
You're saying that Sita Fernando shows the batsman early, the knuckle ball. But Rishabh Pant doesn't seem to be able to pick it up. Maybe he's not looking for it, not watching the hand closely enough. At the moment, he's swinging himself out of his shoes, which we know he does with the grip. It's brilliantly bowled. And he's well through the shot as Rishabh Pant.
Great control now. On the point of Dasun Shanaka, it's not meaning he opens the bowling. That's not what I meant. I meant try him on at the range of Sri Lankan bowlers, the conceding run, just to try and change it up a little bit in the middle.
Full toss. Thank you very much, says Rishabh Pant. That's the first boundary after 14 balls for the Indian team. Full toss, and he plays a nice little helicopter out into the stands.
You could see the plan, couldn't you? He tried to follow the knuckle ball up with the Yorker. Fortunately, knee high. High even. Rishabh Pant, who bats these days with very little footwork. He's got such fast hands. He whips through the ball. And it's not a small ground here, is it? But that's gone a long way back. But yeah, back to the point about Dasun Shanaka. I still think maybe Asalanka could have brought Patirana into the attack earlier. Once those 2 wickets fell in 2 balls, to try and get 3 and 4.
On the boundary. That's a 6 and a 4 now. That's spoiling this over. 11 runs already. They got 1 ball to go in the over.
Yeah, and you can tell this is reactive bowling. He's bowled a bad ball and he's trying to make up for it. And you can tell there wasn't a clarity of thought as to what he was going to execute here. He was thinking of a Yorker and again made the error. Wasn't sure what he was going to bowl. I don't think he was clear. You generally want to be clear before you deliver what ball you're going to bowl, what you're going to execute. Asita clearly having a bad day today.
Last ball of the over. Goes again. This time. Well done. Very well done. Wanindu Hasaranga and the team. Definitely cut off too. Still a massive over. 13 runs. 4 to go. 172 for 3.
Led to excited gentlemen alongside me. Abhinav Mukund and Sabah Kareem. Good evening, guys.
Good evening, guys.
Cheers, Ross. Yes, this is a splendid score for India. 4 overs to go. India can easily get to about 225, 230. With so much of depth in India's batting order. Rinku Singh, Rayan Parag, Akshar Patel. That's some muscle still to come.
Change of ends for Matisha Patirana. On the wicket of Surya Kumar Yadav. The slow balls into the pitch just seems to be working late in the innings. The ball softer.
He's been an exponent of this, Matisha Patirana. His unpredictability. Look at that low bounce. With that slingy action. Way into that shot, Hardik Pandya. That's the surprise. The next ball could be a fast Yorker or a bouncer.
Yorker it is. Strong bottom hand. And he's got that over mid off for 4.
There's some shot from Hardik Pandya. He stands back, uses the depth of the crease, and then he goes bang straight. Past the middle fielder, top of the middle fielder, and goes for a boundary. That's such an interesting phase for Hardik Pandya. It will test his character, not only as a batter but also as a player in the side, with the bat and as well as with the ball. Vice captain the World Cup side, comes back here and get replaced by Surya Kumar Yadav. India needs him.
Yeah, it's great balance to the team. Useful with the ball as well. Long off now, he plays third man's in the circle. Ball! He gets it right this time. Patirana.
And the crowd are up and about. They were here for this. The Patirana special. The exponent of the in-swinging Yorker. A bit of tail back for Patirana. Expecting that Hardik but had absolutely no room. Ricochets off his back man. Gets the stumps.
151 the speed of that delivery. Hardik Pandya's gone for 9.
176 for 4.
What difference does it make?
Straight away.
Rayan Parag trying to make his name at this international level has been backed highly by the selectors. Very early in his international career, but has shown a lot of mettle in the IPL also. Before that, in the domestic season. And that's why you see still India trying to retain that left-right combination. They use this kind of ploy in the World Cup with great success, and they're pursuing with it here also.
You can clearly tell the coach and captain have different ideas. The ones gone by Rohit Sharma and Rahul Dravid. Singh, the designated finisher, having a chat with assistant coach Abhishek Nair. They work together at Kolkata Knight Riders. You think it's Rinku Singh time. Rayan Parag usually comes in the top order for his franchise.
Number 4, isn't it? His preferred spot. Fine legs in the circle. There's a deep mid-wicket. Not sure if he wants a long on. There's a third man. A deep point. A long off, and now he decides that he's got to get back to long on. No one behind square. On the leg side. Here's Patirana. No feet movement. Just short of Nissanka. Still 4.
A double-edged sword trying to attempt the catch or save the boundary. Was unsure for a second. Nissanka. But you'd expect that from Rishabh Pant. No feet, just hands. Power involved. Gets the result he desires.
Well, he's a special talent. There is always a brevity in his movement. There is hardly any exaggerated feet movement. It's just the swing of the bat. Such strong hands and fast hands on top of it. Good effort in there. Still manages to get a boundary here, Rishabh.
3 overs. overs remaining. And India have already reached a high score in Sri Lanka, 176 against Bangladesh, their previous highest. Got a ball outside off stump to this field. Slower delivery. Oh. That had connected. He was going to the moon. 181 for 4.
Whoa, don't scream then. That's not cool. What difference does it make? Keeping food waste out of places that was made from Mother Earth. You're telling me you can handle eggshells? What about vegetable meal?
Patirana 3 has already bowled 3 overs, 1 over from him. Then the option is Theekshana, and we see Theekshana here. He will complete his bowling of 4 overs, even expensive, especially in the power play. That's been the big issue for Sri Lankan side. In the power play, they gave away far too many runs.
Yeah, so the Fernando, Dilshan Madhushan, very expensive in that phase. Full toss. He's played it nicely. That's the confidence these Indian batters have. Just the second delivery he faced, Parag.
And placed the shot well. Theekshana looking for that Yorker again. On the stumps. Was too full on that occasion. Picks it on the full, not easy. When you're switching. Plays it well in the end.
Eyes on the ball. Nisanka. This time he gets hold of it. Ball's just been following Nisanka and Asita Fernando. He caught one, put two down Fernando, but had no right to catch that one. He caught anyway. Was looking elsewhere, chucked his hand out. But this is the wicket. For Patirana, you expect that. Doesn't disappoint. He finds ways to deliver.
He was kind of ready to play a shot like that, but the ball tailed in so late and lost his balance by then. That's Patirana for you.
Hit that hard. Dasun Shanaka has no chance. It skids off the outfield.
And that's power from you for Rishabh Pant. Gets into strong position, picks the length very early, and then he smashes this one. He really wanted to hit in that area. And then it does it so well and so easily in the end. Brutal.
Didn't have far to go, Shanaka, but the moment it hit the ground, gathered pace. Now Theekshana. Bowling it very quickly indeed. All the deliveries around 103, 104.
Yeah, I was just about to say that with Akshar and Ravi Bishnoi, the two spinners, both of them are quick as well. Akshar can slow it down, but not Bishnoi. Hasaranga's success has been the slower deliveries on the surface. Theekshana struggled. His prolific Indian batting order made most use of it.
A rare dot, cheered by the crowd too.
The wicket showed some visible signs of cracks here, but it does not seem to have any grip whatsoever for the spinners. That is why they need to be extremely subtle.
11 off that last over from Theekshana. He's bowled out 192 for 4.
Whoa, don't scream then.
4 overs 1 for 28. Now Patirana 2 for 29 in history. Indian batters enjoying themselves, but the crowd enjoying the cricket. Oh, they shout again. Vimala Siri says that's out. One review remaining for India. Parag looks at Rishabh Pant. Does not look like he's getting much support. Is it tailing towards the leg side? He asks. He pleads. On your way, says Rishabh Pant. Again Patirana. Gets a perfect Yorker in.
Speed gun says 135. Looked a lot quicker than that. And looked plump. That's why he's one of the best in the business. It's only been a couple of years of international cricket, but Patisha Patirana has speared around the world. Riyan Parag goes for 7. India lose their fifth at 192.
don't scrape that in the trash. Don't scrape that in
Rinku Singh gets an opportunity with 11 balls remaining in the innings. Pathirana, here he is. Squeezes that through. Just a single.
That's Rinku Singh. 16th inning for him. Brilliant strike rate, 176. And has become a death over specialist, comes in and is capable of playing the big shots here. This is Rayan Parag trying to play the helicopter shot, misses the line. Again tailing in very late.
No one there. That's safe. What a shot. He gets the length he was looking for.
A bit surprised with this field, just three fielders on the leg side. And if you miss your length, Rishabh Pant loves that shot, standing on off stump. Slower ball attempt on that occasion. Just had to scoop it past the short fine fielder.
45 of 31 to Rishabh Pant. On the last 8 balls, he scored 25. He started off slow. That's how dangerous he can be because he can catch up. And get ahead as well. Back to mid-wicket ball to find leg. The 200s on the board for India.
This has happened so many times before also for Rishabh Pant. Whenever it tries to go big, it tries to play such unusual shots, the bat comes off the hand. But it still manages to get a bad boundary. These are special powers of Rishabh Pant. Such an unusual position for us, but so calm and so balanced when he plays this. This time around, loses control of the bat.
I swear I was the cameraman on that occasion. I was looking at the bat. I wasn't looking at the ball.
And so was the fielder. And guess who? Asita Fernando. I feel for him on that occasion because he would have been distracted. Ball! That's another wicket. This time the slower one. 52 wickets in death overs for Matisha Pathirana. That's most by any bowler in that phase since 2023. What a performance. 4 for him here today.
Extremely penetrative here, especially in the death overs. Pathirana sticks to his strength. That is trying to bowl the Yorker, nails it once again. Rishabh Pant loses control while trying to execute their shot. Goes back after a welcome pile 49 from 33. It's 201 for 6.
Still a procession of left-handers. Now Pathirana. Here his last ball of the spell. 4 for 38 to him. He's been absolutely brilliant. Can he get another? I thought I heard a noise. Well, he'll have another delivery because he's got to re-bowl that.
After a sensational World Cup, Akshar Patel back again for the Sri Lanka tour. 143 strike rate for him, best of 65. He's here because Pathirana has been absolutely on the ball. He's changed this game around in terms of the scoring rate at least.
Will he get a fifer? No, he doesn't. But a wonderful spell. It's been hard to get away. 4 for 40, 203 for 6.
Whoa, don't scrape get along. You and me are gonna get along.
Not a lot of things have gone right for Sri Lanka today. The fielding's been clumsy, the bowlers clumsy, to all parts. And now what Ruchira Palliguru is saying is that they've been penalised. So they're going to have 5 fielders in the circle. Only 4 allowed outside. The reason for that? Slow over rate. They should have started the 19th over at 8:40 PM. They're 4 minutes over. So the four fielders in the deep
So the
are a
four
long
fielders
on.
in the deep are a long
A
on.
wide-ish deep third man.
A wide-ish
cover
deep
on the
third
boundary
man.
and long
A
off.
cover on the boundary and long off.
Starts off with a slow one.
Starts off with
He
a slow
seems to
one.
love that
He
delivery.
seems to love
Asita
that
Fernando.
delivery. Asita Fernando.
We're looking at the captain Charit Asalanka, Russell. As welcome to the Colosseum. That's the pressure of captaincy.
That's the pressure of captaincy.
Very deceptive here, Sitafaran
Very
Fernando.
deceptive here, Sitafaran Fernando.
Time for him to come back well in the death overs.
To come back well in the death
He
overs.
gave a lot of runs with the
He
new
gave
ball.
a lot of runs with the new
And then
ball.
even in the previous over he bowled.
And then even in the previous over he bowled.
Let's try and keep an eye out whether he
Try and
changes
keep
his
an
grip
eye out
and
whether
when.
he changes his grip and when.
Nicely bowled, nicely bowled.
Nicely bowled, nicely bowled.
He's had a tough evening.
He's
Not
had a
Mati
tough evening.
Shapathirana though.
Not Matisha Pathirana though.
Yeah, the last couple of overs. I could almost sense this coming. The couple of deliveries have been knuckle balls and Yorkers, but Pathirana has been exceptional. He's introduced late today. Got rid of the skipper Surya Kumar Yadav first. Most of his wickets have been the ones that have been tailing back the Yorker. Dry surfaces here. Accurate. Hitting the stumps or the pads. Pathirana.
That's in the air.
That's in the
Dasun
air.
Shanaka charges in.
Dasun Shanaka
Oh, he
charges
cannot
in.
get there.
Oh, he cannot get there.
Couple more runs.
Couple more runs.
In fact, three of them.
In
Joksar.
fact, three of them. Joksar.
Two left-handers here, Akshar and
Two left-handers here,
Akshar and Rinku Singh.
and Rinku
High in
Singh.
the air.
High in the air.
Shanaka ran in from sweeper cover. He
Shanaka
could
ran
at
in
least
from
stop some
sweeper
runs
cover.
here.
He could at least
Went for
stop
the
some runs
catch,
here.
but
Went
didn't
for
have
the
any backup
catch,
plan.
But didn't have any backup plan.
Gave away 2 extra runs here.
Gave away 2 extra runs here.
Yeah, I think he's going to go for the knuckle ball again. Asita Fernando. You could almost sense that after a faster delivery goes there.
Got him. A bit of luck for Asita Fernando. Rinku Singh drags that on. Most importantly, it's a dot ball for Sri Lanka.
It's a dot ball for Sri Lanka.
A wild hoik from Rinku Singh. The crowd's happy and about again.
Yeah, it's delayed because the lights don't flash.
Because the lights
Again,
don't flash.
The
Again,
slow one.
the slow
The bails
one.
are off. No one knows
The
it
bails
other
are off.
than
No
Rinku
one knows
Singh.
it other than Rinku Singh.
The crowd realizes late and hence the smile and the joy. Not for Rinku Singh today.
Not for Rinku Singh
He's
today.
gone for 1, 206
He's
for
gone
7.
for 1, 206 for 7.
Don't scrape that in the
Sri Lanka, for
Sri
their
Lanka,
part, in the last
for their
20
part, in
balls,
the
they
last
could be
20
happy
balls,
somewhat.
They could be
4
happy
wickets
somewhat.
for 30
4
runs.
wickets for 30 runs.
194 has been Sri Lanka's highest successful chase. That was against
Bangladesh
in
in
2018.
2018.
Arshdeep's off the mark,
Arshdeep's
leaving.
off the mark, leaving.
Aksar, the last ball
Aksar, the
to
last
face.
ball to
It's been a good
face.
over, very
It's been
good
a good
over from
very good
Fernando.
over from Fernando.
The deception working very well for Fernando here. Going for
Fernando
the
here.
big
Going
heave
for
here.
the big
Rinku
heave
Singh.
here. Rinku Singh.
The inside edge onto
The
the
inside edge
stumps.
onto the stumps.
Last 2-3 overs have been
Last
quite
2-3
good for Sri
overs have
Lanka.
been quite good for
They've
Sri
been able
Lanka.
to restrict
They've been
India.
able
At
to
one stage
restrict
looked
India.
like
At
India
one
can
stage looked like India
get to a
can
score of about
get to a score of about
220,
220,
225.
225.
Massive delivery.
Massive
the
delivery.
last one.
The last one.
Here's Fernando.
Here's Fernando.
Aksar gets it.
Aksar
He gets all of it.
He
So
gets
ends
all
with a
of it.
6.
So ends with a 6.
A slower ball.
A slower ball.
And it's a 6.
And it's a 6.
213 for 7
213
India.
for 7 India.
Aksar's on 10.
Aksar's on
It's been
10.
a wonderful
It's
knock
been a wonderful knock
by all the Indian
by
batters.
all the Indian batters.
Whoa, don't scrape that in the trash. That's not cool.
What difference does it make?
Keeping food waste out of the landfill is better for Mother Earth.
You're